Hello, what's up, guys? I know this is YouTube, right? Yeah, this is Srinivas here from the developer channel. Today, we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge for April 12, 2021. Let's see what's in there. Fibonacci series. Reverse one, so you gotta be kidding me, right? Aren't you? Bro, are you still serious? Just a Fibonacci series? No, it's not. What's in there? They have given an input of 11 and they have formed a Fibonacci series with the freaky logic they have used. Up to this is normal. Here also it's normal, but here 39 because of 8 plus reverse of 31, which is nothing but a 39. Here they have reversed the 13 and 39 as 31 and 93. They got 124, 514. Okay, but still not impressive, bro. Expected a lot. Further, what you gonna do is just the same logic as we always use in Fibonacci. That is nothing but sum of two previous number, but in this case I'm going to reverse and add that number. N will be the number of series we have to print, right? Okay, take this as a limit. N equal to 0, n1 also, okay, n comma n1 comma n2 equal to 0 comma 0 comma 1 for I in range of limit n equal to n1 plus n2, n1 equal to n2 and n2 equal to n. Print of what? n1 comma n equal to space separator, right? This is what we usually do in Fibonacci series. What? Sorry, this is something called as usual thing. 1 1 2 3 8. Yeah, we got the Fibonacci series, but this is not we want, right? We need something that also not a big deal in front of my Python baby. I just reversed it. This one also reversed. I'm adding printf tata 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 39, 124, 514. That's it. We did it. But even though the question was simple, we have to do something crazy, right? Try that one. No, no, no. No one-liner at this time. But why not? Why don't we try it? How I'm going to make this as a one-liner? I know the formula, I know the pattern, I know the limit. Then what else I need for making as a one-liner? But still, I can fool you like Tada! We made a three-liner. Ho ho ho. I'm pretty dumb. See, it's working. But I don't like to fool you guys because you guys are believing me. I believe that. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm just trying to remove that in between semicolons. Instead of int of n1 reverse plus hint of a string of n2 reverse. Here also I need a plus, right? Hint of string of n2 reverse. What are the values I'm using here? Just n1 and n2, right? Then why we need n in this thing? Think we can omit this one. n1 will be n2 and n2 will be n1 plus n2. Yeah, limit will be reduced if limit to this else break Ta-ta. Figure of 0, 1, let's see. It's working, but can you make a recursion call with the lambda function? If we can, then we definitely can do one-liner for this one. Okay, at this time I don't have any idea, but if I got anything, I will post at least on the comments. If you guys have any one-liners you can give a solution to, then I will I will make a video to explain what you have done if I understood. Else you have to explain. Wish me luck. Yo, it's working. Yo, back guys. As I have told before, I have found something called something better than sheep. Yep. After digging my head and scraping all my hair off my head, I have found something that I can do that Fibonacci in one line. I'm going to get nose cut before recording without implementing it. No matter. Lambda n1 comma n2 comma limit execute printf n1 comma n and do fib of n2 n int of str of n1 reverse plus int of str of n2 reverse uh, um yep, seems like it's fine. Do this comma limit -1 if limit else do nothing, get lost fib of 0 1 5. Whoa, my god. Yeah, this is not a big bug that I have made. 0 1 5 0 1 1 2 3. Let's try this for 11. Yeah, we got that. We got that. But still, it's two line. You will say for those. I'm going to make it as single line 0 comma 1 comma 11, which is nothing but int of input. Okay, you want right? Just try this. Yep, we got it. We got it. We got that one liner. There. Here is the epic code. One liner. I'm going to split that into 3 lines just for visual, what to say, just for visual sake. See, if you merge these 3 lines, you will get the one liner. I think I have made. Thank you guys.